YouTube family, we back for yet another one, man. What's going on with y'all? It is your boy Jay coming back at y'all with yet another unboxing and a slight discussion video, man. Today your boy will be talking about something coming very soon. You know what I'm saying? Something coming very soon, and I just wanted to enlighten y'all about it. Some of y'all might know, some of y'all may not know. But yeah, man, first things first, make sure y'all drop a like on this video, hit that subscribe button if you ain't already subscribed, as well as follow me on Twitter, man. Y'all have been going crazy, man. Big shout out to everybody who has followed me on Twitter in the past. About 2 months ago, I had my old Twitter account hacked, so I had to restart a whole new Twitter, and my Twitter is @TheReal JTSG. I'm actually around like 230 followers right now. I'm trying to build that up, man. I'm trying to hit 1,000, man. So hey, follow your boy over there. You will be tuned into all the things upcoming on the channel, as well as whenever there's like sneaker drops or anything I hear about, like the news I'm about to give y'all right now. Twitter heard it first, man. But give me a follow over there, man. Other than that, thank y'all for all that y'all do. But yes, man, diving right into it, we are officially about 2.5 weeks away from the upcoming Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. I'm telling y'all, I just want to go over this one more time. Next time I probably talk about this shoe, it will be in an on-feet video, but these will not be a walk in the park. Yeah, bang! These right here, man. As you can see, I already got my double up. I already got 2, but I need another one, man. I have been beating my first pair into the ground. If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all have been seeing me post a lot of pictures of the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds on my feet because I have been wearing them, man. I'm putting myself to wear them every day up until they released. I'm just, you know, I told y'all I was gonna beat one in the ground. Y'all was like, Jay, we know what your definition of beating in the ground is. You wear them once or twice a year, but nah, these are different, man. I told y'all I need about 4 to 5 personal pairs of these because I'm gonna beat one, I'm gonna probably beat another one, keep a fresh pair, and I wanna keep 2 icy, fresh, just like this, man. But yes, we are 2.5 weeks away from what is one of the biggest releases of the year, and like I said, it will be a lot of trouble because that 500K stock, I want to say there's over 250K pairs out on the streets right now. Yes. So take that with a grain of salt and do not think it will be a walk in the park. We are seeing prices of these drop down, but I don't see them dropping too much more than what they are right now. I mean, after fees and stuff on StockX and GOAT, they're around the 5 range, somewhere around that. So I mean, I can see these going around 400, 350 the least, but do not expect to not pay resale for these if you want them that bad, because moms, kids, babies, uncles, granddaddies, they all want the Jordan 1 Lost and Founds, man. So just wanted to talk about that real quick, give y'all the update on these, and we are still waiting on a shot drop, man, and something major is supposed to be happening this week, man. And that leads me to my next topic of this video. Keep your eyes on that app. So bring me to my next point, y'all, real quick. Hey, y'all give Outrank brand a follow, man. This video is sponsored by them. As you can see, I am rocking Outrank gear. Whew. Dope tees, man. These can go, of course, with the Starfish Air Jordan 1s and some other shoes, man. There's a lot of orange shoes out there, man. So definitely give Outrank brand a follow and check their site out, man. Use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy at checkout. It will save you big on your purchase, man. But other than that, like I said, rolling into this next topic, man. 2 days ago, depending on when you're watching this video, 2 days ago, the man himself, DJ Khaled, made a post. October 31st on Halloween, he made a post saying, keep your eyes on that app, man. I'm gonna play that clip real quick, let y'all hear it from him himself.
Keep your eye on that app this week. Keep your eye on that app this week. You know what's we the best? Keep your eye on that app this week. Keep going. Go back to the shoe. Keep your eye on that app this week.
So yes, man, he put out the notification or the alert, the encrypted message to say to keep your eyes on the app, meaning that something is happening soon. He followed up his statement by showing pairs of the Air Jordan 5 DJ Khaled, which are supposed to be officially releasing on November 28th, but we might be seeing those a little bit earlier than that, man. So I'm thinking it's gonna be either those or these right here, man. A lot of people are expecting a shot drop from these. So I mean, it can go one or two ways, man. A lot of people are talking about it, so Nike and Jordan Brand might not make it happen, because whenever there's something that a lot of people are predicting from Nike and Jordan Brand, they are always usually do the opposite of that, man. So it's just one of them things we have to wait and see. But I definitely think that something's gonna be happening within tomorrow, Thursday, or Friday. There has been tons and tons of restocks. Nothing, I mean, there has been kind of slick, low-key heat, but nothing that was like, whoa. You know, it broke the app. You know what I'm saying? It broke the internet. People were talking about it. Nothing yet, but trust me, it's coming. I feel a grand finale coming. Cherry 11s, Lost and Found 1s, DJ Khaled 5s. Watch that app, man. But yes, I just wanted to enlighten y'all and let y'all know about that. Moving on to the next part of this video. Yes, man, you know what to do. Bang, man. Hit the link in the bio, man. Get yourself a Soul Premise bag, man. I had fell in love with this bag. It is like a designer / luxury bag, in my personal opinion. And anytime somebody sees this bag, they're like, man, I know that costs. I know that costs, man. But you can get it at a very discounted price if you use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy at checkout when you head over to Soul Premise. And definitely, like I said, man, fire bag. This bag can hold 2 pairs of shoes. This is the daily commuter. Yes, a daily bag. You can put your daily accessories in here and, you know, get around. No hassles, no stress, just some premium quality and a premium look. And yeah, man, have all your stuff in one spot. But yeah, man, other than this, moving on, I did get a pair of shoes. I did tell y'all earlier last week that I did pick up a pair of shoes from a boutique called One Nest, which is out in Kentucky. Big shout out, man. I did not mention this guy in that first video, but I do have to give him a shout out in this video. So big shout out to Chauncey Daily over on Instagram. He was the one who alerted your boy about the sale that they did have over at One Nest Boutique. So shout out to him, man. That is him right there, man. He hit me up. He said, hey, there's a major, well, he didn't tell me there was a sale going on. He was like, the Jordan 2 lows, they're going for like $130. And I'm like, automatically in my head, I'm like, it can't be a legit shoe. But on all, you know, looking through everything, I went over there, I see that it was a $75 automatically applied coupon to the purchase of your order. So everything was legit, man. So big shout out to Chauncey for alerting me. I did place 2 orders, you know, sometimes you gotta finesse. I placed 2 orders so I can get a total of $150 off of both my orders, man. So this right here, what I'm about to show y'all, is something that I got for $75 under retail. And for that price, I'll take it. Man, so here I do have a package of something I got from One Nest, and y'all gonna talk about me in this one. Let me take this off, try to at least. But yo, this is something that when I did a review on this shoe, I was like, man, these ain't it, bro. These ain't it. That's all I was saying was these ain't it, blah blah. But I ended up getting them, man. You know that's how it be when it comes to these shoes. But after seeing these shoes on people's feet, these shoes grew on me a lot. These shoes actually are popping up in outlets, man. But they grew on me a lot, bro. They grew on me definitely a lot after seeing people rock them. And that shoe is none other than, dang, man, the Air Jordan 3 Winterize, man. So yes, man, I backtrack on this one. Personal size, as you can see, I paid like $130 something for these, man. Like I said, big shout out to Chauncey again, because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have these shoes, because there's no way I was gonna pay $210 for these, man. But definitely picked them up. Shout out to One Nest Boutique for having that fire sale, bro, because $75 off, that helped your boy out a whole lot. Bang, man. So here they go right here, man. This is actually a better looking shoe when you put them on feet, man. I wasn't feeling all this stuff right here on the back as well as on the front, but it actually comes all together when you have them on feet and you style them up, man. So this is a nice fall winter shoe, you know, earth tony, and y'all know your boy is big on the earth tones, man. So not bad at all. And for the price that I paid, man, I could not resist it, man. So pick these up from One Nest Boutique as well. Fire discount. Like I said, y'all follow me over on Twitter. If I do hear anything from the family, anything, I will post it over there and give y'all the links or whatever it is to it, give y'all the heads up, man. So follow your boy at the real JTSG on Twitter. And yo, man, fire, man. Not bad. I mean, they not bad. I don't want to sit here and gasp and say they fire now after I beat them into the ground talking about they were trash, but they clean, man. So that is it for this one, man. wrapping up the vid, man, I got 2 shoes that I want to show y'all that I recently picked up. So let's get right into that. Bang, man. So this shoe was a recent release. This shoe released on November 2nd, yesterday, depending on when you're watching this video. This shoe is a Nike Dunk, another Nike Dunk. Low retro. I just have been picking up dunks. A lot of y'all told me to start hitting y'all with the reviews and on feet to these dunks, so I plan to start throwing these more into my videos because a lot of y'all are trying to see dunks, man. So the dunk that I do have here is none other than the Nike Dunk Low Arizona. Bang, man. So here they go. This right here is a clean dunk in my opinion. Not bad. It is what is it, the Arizona y'all gonna kill me for that one, but Arizona, that's what we're gonna call it, man. Cause I do not even know what college team it is. The Arizona what? Brain dead. When you be on the camera sometimes it just it kind of just blurs your memory and your mind. So y'all gotta forgive me, cause anytime I start watching a playback of a video, I'm saying exactly what the shoe is, but when I'm on the spot, I just can't remember. But anyways, man, not bad shoe in my opinion. These released yesterday alongside a couple other colorways in the Nike Dunks, man. Dunks have been all over the place, and I ain't gonna hold you, man. I'm a big fan of these school color, school themed dunks, man. Recently, I had the Miami Hurricane dunks, which was a must cop in my opinion. UCLA dunks was another one of those. The Syracuse dunks are retro and all that good stuff, man. But definitely not bad colors, man. Whenever they put the school themes on them, 99% of the colorways that they put out there, fire, man. So hey, Nike, keep doing your thing with these type of themed shoes. And other than that, man, we got one more shoe to talk about. So let's get right into it. Yes, sir. Bang, man. So it is another Nike box, as you can see. Nothing different. This is a Nike Dunk as well, but this one is a special one. This is a collab one, color blocking, or size tag reads Nike Dunk Low QS. So this is a quick strike, and this is a collab. Show y'all this one real quick. This one is set to release, I believe, next week. So I might hit y'all with the on feet to these. It just depends on how I put things together with it, because it does have a kitty type look to it. So I gotta see how they look on my feet before I know whether I'm gonna do it or not. But anyways, that shoe is none other than, bang, man, the Nike Dunk Low Fruity Pebbles, aka LeBron James collab, man. And I did not know that this was a LeBron collab until I took them out and looked at the details of this shoe, and I was like, dang, it's a LeBron collab. Bang, man. So here you have them. Yes, 100% a collab with Fruity Pebbles, man. So yes, it is not just because the colors are there, we're gonna call it a Fruity Pebble. It does say Fruity Pebble right there on the tongue, and it does have the LeBron James logo on the back, man. So details on the shoe, man. The laces, it looks like you have little Fruity Pebble stuff going throughout the laces. You see the color blocking, man. It is a nice, like, bright popping multicolored shoe. It is on the level with the Bart Simpson dunks in my opinion. I would prefer the Bart Simpson dunks over these, because these are just like, it's all over the place. There's a lot going on, especially with these laces. I might gotta put some white laces or a solid color lace to kind of just mellow it out a little bit. But it does come with, speaking of laces, it does come with 2 sets of extra laces, purple and white. And yeah, I think the white is gonna be the move, because it will calm down this loud looking shoe, man. But yeah, it does have nice material. I don't know if y'all can see it on the side, but definitely nice materials on the side of this shoe. Not bad, man. Like I said, it's just, I don't know, it has a kitty look to it, so I have to see how it looks styled up, if I can pull it off or not. But definitely it's a shoe that I will collect. I'll keep them in the collection. You know, LeBron James, Fruity Pebbles, nice, you know, collab. I don't know how they came about. Maybe they gonna say that this was LeBron's favorite cereal growing up. Y'all know how they do their stories. But anyways, man, I just wanted to show y'all early look at these. These are hitting the Nike app. I think they're on there right now. These will be releasing next week. I do not know the exact date off the top of my head, but might put it up on the screen or something, man. But yeah, man, that is it for this one. Just wanted to show y'all some early shoes. Translucent outsole, man. So we talked about Lost and Founds. We talked about DJ Khaled. Watch that out. We talked about the shoes that I trashed and I now have them in my collection. And we talked about 2 pairs of dunks, man. So that is it for this one, man. Thank y'all as always for watching. I do have on feeds coming, man. I have had a lot of shoes coming in. I've been swamped. I've been, you know, doing things over on my second Instagram page, JTSG Closet. Follow that if you haven't already followed it. So I've been kind of busy. I had my hands full, but do not think the on feeds are going anywhere. Got a lot of them coming, man. Still got like a lot of things coming, man. So other than that, your boy Jay is gone, man. Make sure y'all give this video a like. Y'all stay blessed. 100K on the way. Fruity Pebble things, man. I'm gone, man. Peace.